Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are back at Buc-ee's. We're super excited. Let's see what's new here since the last time we came, which was a little over a year ago. Let's go. Here is the man that we came to see along with the woman I love. Let's go and see inside. What specials you can have for us, Buc-ee? Let's go. There's a lot of people here in Buc-ee's on a Saturday. Let's go past all this. It's a cart view. Oh, cool. They're Halloween clothes. Cool. I got them get out of the way because we're in everybody's way here. Look at this little guy. So cute. Whoops. How much is a little? Look at this. He is cute. How much is he? He is $14.98. It's not too bad, actually. That's how much you pay for an ice cream, like at McDonald's or something. Actually, at Disney. Look at these shirts. Really cool. Oh, little baby jumpers. How much? $14.98. Don't tell me everything here is $14.98. All right, let's look around. Happy Halloween, guys. It's coming. We even got some Buc-ee's swimwear. $14.98. A lot of $14.98s here. Men's shorts or boys' shorts. You have girls' little bathing suits. $16.98. Some loud shirts. And then the big man's coming. There's his butt. I'm not going to go through everything because it's all Buc-ee stuff, and anyone's come to Buc-ee's before has seen it. Look at all those Buc-ee's world famous jerky. It is amazing. It is so good, but it is expensive. Buc-ee is right there. Oh my God. And we have the variety candy peanuts, $9.98. This is going into Buc-ee. They're delicious. I remember them being bigger though last time. I did want to try the fudge. It is so heavy. $15.12. It is heavy, boy. It's got everything in it. But maybe next time. What are little bunt breads? They're heavy, man. $7.99. Banana pecan nut bread. I know who would like those. Everybody's favorite glazed nuts. Which one are we gonna choose though? I think I'm gonna go for cashews, fresh. These are made fresh. That's going on the Buc-ee too. This guy's doing a heck of a job, man. Pick it up. Oh yeah. They're delicious. They got all kinds of drinks that you want here against the wall. And the cleanest bathrooms in the world right there. I'm not going to go into the bathroom, and I'm not going to attempt to get a drink. There's too many people.
Here are the baked goods. Pecan bar, paddle tail, whoopie pies. This is new. Pulled pork mac and cheese. Burritos, fried chicken. And fries, how much? $8.99. Oh man, that is an icy if I ever seen one. Ices all the way down. It's a pina colada. And And they have homemade chips.
We're gonna try the jalapeno this time since we didn't get them last time.
Yep.
They're going in.
They got a whole bunch. Jalapeno, Cajun boil, salt and vinegar, bold and blended. Ooh, sweet southern barbecue.
Turn over.
Dill pickle.
They've got all kinds.
Oh my god, then they have cheese curls, hot and spicy lemon. Wow, I can't believe how much stuff they have here. They make salsas, all kinds of salsas, and hot sauces. Dill pickle, jalapeno, scorpion pepper, ghost pepper, 7-pot primo, taco reaper. Oh my god, just so much stuff. Ooh, pineapple habanero, and all of the chocolate goodness. Oh, beaver nuggets. All right, guys, so here's the haul. We were so fast in there because we knew what we wanted. So we got, as a little dessert, 1 piece of salt caramel fudge. We'll all have a little taste of that. It's scorching out, just to let you know.
And the gas here is $1.99.
$1.99.
We don't even need any gas, but we're
insane.
gonna put some in.
We got the jalapeno, kettle cooked jalapeno chips with little Buc-ee on it. We got fresh pecans, and of course we had to get a pulled pork sandwich.
So let's
Try it all out.
it.
All right, so here's the Carolina pulled pork sandwich. It's upside down. Open that up.
Smells good.
Oh, yeah. That looks good. It is a handful.
So that's what
Try
she
it
said.
out.
How does it taste? Buc-ee's pulled pork sandwich.
It's crazy. But that came out of a convenience store.
/ gas station. Look at that meat, guys.
Oh, it's
That's
delicious.
what she said.
Delish.
All the different views of it. Very nice. Highly recommended.
Highly
Of course.
recommend.
As good as last year's.
Better.
Wow. Let's get on to the next thing.
All right, let's see these jalapeno kettle chips. Of course, smell test. Ooh, jalapeno. And
Let's see inside. Can't really see much, but okay.
pretty full bag. Oh, they're all curly like I like them.
It's spicy though. It's hard to find a good jalapeno spicy chip. And not like the old days. Oh yeah.
I love kettle chips. Oh, they're thin, but still crispy. That's really good. It's been a while since I had a good jalapeno
Better
chip.
than Lay's. And
Yeah.
More fresh tasting.
Yes.
Cool. You want
This
to try
is.
it?
Yep.
I'll shoot you straight, guys. She's
This is
lying or
really
not.
good. They're delicate at the same time.
They're crispy.
Yeah. But they're thin, right?
They're not spicy though. They're thin. They're crispy. Nice taste.
Yeah.
Fresh taste. But not spicy. I wouldn't call them jalapeno. I'd call them mild jalapeno.
They're really good. All right. Now, we've had these before, and they were delicious.
Fresh pecans. Oh my god. Zoom in on them. Whoa. Oh, dang. That is a... Whoa. Big fat hands in there. Look how beautiful these are.
They really are. Work of art.
All right.
I know I'll love this. Ooh.
As candy-ish as they were a year ago.
I don't know, man. I love candied pecans. I've never had such good ones. than here.
Oh, these are fresh too.
So good.
Okay, the last thing. Let's try the fudge.
Head southwest toward Technology
It's
Boulevard.
already starting to melt as we speak.
It's so hot
What
out.
kind of fudge is this?
Salted caramel.
All right.
Just gonna take a little bite.
It's fresh too. Everything is fresh here.
I'm not
but it's
100%
just
on fudge, but
well, cold fudge I like. Hot fudge.
wow,
Oh yeah.
that is fudgy.
Rich.
So much caramel, a little bit of that saltiness on your lips. Really good fudge chew. Really good fudge. I have to say, I'm not a fudge person, but this is really good. I would not be able to eat this whole thing though. So, good thing we're all sharing it.
Let me try. Hey guys, I haven't been neglecting you. I'm on camera now. Hi. Let's try this fudge. Not a big fan of fudge, unless it's my mama's, my mima's. Let's see. Almost like a caramel bar. Fudgy. Caramel.
With your lips, you'll taste the salt.
There's the salt. Yeah. It's good. Very good. Be better cold. It's hot, melting right now, as you can see. It was almost $3, so I'm not sure if that's worth it. My Mima could make a whole pot of this back in the day for probably $3,
Yeah.
and it'd be like this big, you know. But definitely would recommend. It is good if you like caramel bars. It tastes just like it. So that was our haul for the day. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I know it was a quick video. I know it might not be an interesting video for everyone who's been to Buc-ee's a million times, but it's our second time here. We knew what we wanted, so we were in and out. Guys, thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and keep watching if you're into cruises, because we're up to MSC Seashore in a couple of days. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See y'all later.